This is what happens when a home is designed with intention, but without over-designing every corner. This home was designed for one of our clients who wanted warmth, comfort, and function for daily life. You'll notice how clean lines, soft textures, and warm materials work quietly together, but nothing competes for attention. The Japandi approach proves that fewer pieces can still deliver what a client wants, but only when each one has a clear purpose. When layout, furniture, and materials align, so your home feels lighter, more intentional, and easier to enjoy every single day. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. For the living area, the goal is to give you a space where seating, entertainment, and circulation work together. Start by looking up at the ceiling. The recessed ceiling uses walnut wood planks, but they're framed with a soft beige lime wash border. This keeps the ceiling from feeling heavy, so your space still feels open while adding warmth above your living area. You can add a wood blade ceiling fan with LED lighting. It blends into the ceiling instead of standing out, so airflow doesn't break the Japandi mood. When you look at the walls, you'll notice a textured wall finish in warm beige, so the walls have depth without adding visual noise. This keeps the room calm but never boring. A walnut stair slat feature separates the stairs without fully closing the space. Light and air still pass through, so your living room doesn't feel tight or boxed in. Meanwhile, the light oak wood look tiles run continuously through the area. You get the warmth of wood, but with easier maintenance, so it works well for daily living. Now, let's talk furniture. You can use two low-profile straight sofas with slim arms and a wood base. This setup gives you comfort for watching TV, space for conversation, and clear circulation, all at the same time. Add soft contrast using brown and beige throw pillows, so warmer tones keep the sofa looking clean, layered, and livable. At the center, a round nesting solid wood coffee table connects both sofas equally. It keeps circulation smooth, so you can walk through the space easily. Keep the coffee table styling minimal with greenery, books, and a few collected items, so it feels intentional instead of cluttered. Instead of adding another chair, consider a cream ottoman that stays low and compact. This works as a footrest, but it can also be pulled closer for extra seating when needed. Under the furniture, place a rectangular low-pile beige area rug with a linear texture. This creates a clear boundary for the seating zone while adding warmth and calmness. For added character, mount neutral abstract canvas wall art in soft beige and brown tones so the artwork supports the Japandi look instead of distracting from it. In one corner, add a tall indoor plant to keep the area feeling alive and naturally balanced. A floor-to-ceiling layered curtains makes your walls feel taller, so the living area looks more spacious and complete. Moving to the entertainment area, it always begins with the wall behind it. Go with a vertical light oak wood slat accent wall to add height and texture, so the entertainment area immediately feels intentional and built in. Below that, a low solid wood TV console keeps the wall from feeling heavy. The wood top matches the slat wall, so the transition from wall to furniture feels smooth and connected. Next comes the wall-mounted flat-screen TV, positioned at seated eye level for comfortable viewing. To finish the area, add minimal decorative ceramics and indoor plants on the console to bring softness and life without visual clutter. This is how a small or narrow living area becomes organized and warm. The total estimated cost for this living area setup is around $3,800 to $4,500, and similar items can be found in the product tags below. The focus here is improving flow, storage, and visual balance while keeping a workable kitchen layout. For the main kitchen, you can go with an L-shaped counter because it naturally supports cooking, washing, and food preparation in one continuous movement. Start with gray marble look quartz for both the countertop and backsplash, as a soft, consistent surface that keeps everything visually clean. This seamless material transition keeps your eye moving smoothly along the counter. The base and upper cabinets use push-to-open laminated wood panels to stay light and avoid visual heaviness. The base cabinets carry the main function of the kitchen. Meanwhile, full-height upper cabinets maximize vertical storage. The wet area is placed under the window for natural light, while the cooking area sits centrally along the main counter. This arrangement reduces unnecessary movement and improves efficiency. Installing LED under-cabinet lighting adds task lighting that improves safety and accuracy while working. Venetian blinds control sunlight without fully blocking it, but still maintain privacy and comfort. If you have an understair space like this, don't leave it empty. Instead, add another counter to accommodate small or large appliances. The understair cabinetry uses the same laminated wood panels and quartz countertop material as the main kitchen, so it feels visually connected rather than looking like an add-on. This area can also house your refrigerator and microwave, so the main kitchen wall stays clean and focused on food preparation. You can place daily use items on the open shelf, so things you use often remain within easy reach. LED strip lighting is also added to highlight the shelf and counter while keeping the lighting soft. Every cabinet, surface, and appliance is planned and placed properly. This is how you turn a kitchen into a space that works better for you. If you want your bedroom to feel calm and easy to rest in, this arrangement shows what you can do. The base finishes, from floor to ceiling, are kept the same as the living room, so the transition between spaces feels smooth instead of abrupt. Start by adding a vertical wood slat accent wall. The vertical lines guide your eyes upward, so the ceiling feels slightly taller and the room feels more open. A low upholstered bed is placed directly at the center. Its soft form feels gentle and relaxing, and it blends naturally with the rest of the room. You can layer a warm-toned duvet and muted brown pillows to add depth on top. A compact nightstand with a small potted plant is placed beside the bed. The simple shape and darker tone create contrast against the light upholstery. Place a neutral textured rug under the bed so the bedroom feels warmer the moment you step in. The full-height sliding doors wardrobe is designed to align with the wall and ceiling height. Light finishes prevents the storage from feeling heavy, and the movement remains smooth even in a compact space. Install floor-to-ceiling curtains to soften daylight, but still allow privacy when needed. For the lighting, a wood blade ceiling fan with LED lighting was also used in the bedroom for proper light and airflow. To keep the design continuous up to the TV area, a slatted accent wall is also installed here. At the center, place a floating TV console to keep the floor clear. This makes the bedroom feel more spacious, so movement stays easy and uninterrupted. The wall-mounted TV is centered within the accent panel and aligned with the bed, so viewing feels natural and visually balanced. You can keep the decor simple using ceramic vases and greenery. One side of the room becomes a dedicated vanity area. A floating vanity desk is installed, so the area always feels neat and intentional. Pair it with an upholstered chair to keep comfort during longer use. Add a round mirror to soften the vertical lines of the wall panels. Keep the surface styled, but not cluttered, so the vanity feels personal without distracting from rest. This is the kind of bedroom design you can apply when your goal is calm, balance, and better sleep. You can achieve this look for approximately $4,300 to $4,700, depending on material choices and finishes. Each area supports your daily routine, so your home feels easier to use, not just nicer to look at. This is how your space becomes something you enjoy every day. If you want your home to finally feel complete and comfortable, this is the kind of design approach you can start with. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.